Hello, this is Reasoning and Proof, Deductive Reasoning, Example 3. Example 3, we don't have to produce any results. We just have to study these examples and know the difference between inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning takes a bunch of evidence and comes up with a conclusion. And here Andrea knows that juniors or according to Andrea's observations, juniors are always older than sophomores. So she reasons that that's always going to be the case. Well, it's not necessarily the case. Very often advanced students move along more quickly, sometimes skipping grades, and it is possible that a junior be younger than a sophomore, so her reasoning is flawed. This doesn't mean that inductive reasoning is always flawed. It depends on your observations and how you put those observations together. For example, for centuries we've observed that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So inductively you can conclude that tomorrow the sun is going to rise in the east and set in the west. And that's a very valid conclusion based on inductive reasoning. So it depends on the evidence that you're looking at and how you put it together. Deductive reasoning is always based on steps, and you start with something that's absolutely true, and then you make further deductions based on those true statements, and you come up with a proof of what you're trying to prove. And we will be doing a lot of deductive reasoning in geometry. And this particular example says that Todd is older than Chan, and Chan is older than Robin. Therefore, Todd is older than Robin. Statements like this are deductive reasoning, and it has nothing to do with observations or conclusions based on observations. These are conclusions based on facts rather than just observations.